Hello everybody, this is Ryan and I'm back for another video for AEP 858 Data and Assessment. This time I'm going to talk about, so I'm going to go to classwork and I'm going to scroll down to module 5 and this one deals with balanced assessment. So I hope that you're liking the way Google Classroom is working. It seems to be working pretty good for all of us. I know I like it. So let's take a look at module 5A. And here's your document. So for this module, you're going to take a look at your content knowledge. So review all these documents. So you're going to review the sources in the content knowledge section and synthesize the sources to provide perspective and reasoning behind balanced assessment. So take a look at that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to reflect on your current assessment practices, processes, and tools your school district uses. And then based on all that work, you're going to develop a document to explain the key assessment components needed to implement a balanced assessment system and how you as a future teacher leader are going to ensure that that exists in your school. So this is just basically going to be a paper you're going to write. There's no infographics or nothing really, no narrative, no recording. It's just going to be, you're going to write a paper about the components. You probably should list maybe 5 to 7 of them, and those are going to come out of your reading. So this module is a good opportunity for you to utilize the APA formatting. So these are your sources. You're also you can also go out and find additional sources for balanced assessment, and you can use those in your paper. Just make sure that you're utilizing the APA in your reference sheet, and this is also a great opportunity for you to use in-text citations. Remember, if you take something out of an article, you need to cite it using in-text citations and APA style. So with that being said, I'm going to go back to our classroom, and I'm going to go back up here to the resources, and I'm going to take a look at this APA 7th edition quick reference guide. There's a link here to a little document that was made. I want to point out a few things to you. So here are basically your references at the end of the page. This is what it should look like. These are what articles look like, web pages, YouTube videos. And then for your in-text citations, it's really not appropriate for you to utilize direct quotes. You're always better to utilize paraphrasing. So read it, paraphrase it. Here is some information about how to do that. But you want to paraphrase it, and you want to use in-text citations like this, where you state the author and the date. You really do not want to use direct quotes. You should use paraphrasing. Direct quotes are utilized very sparingly and really have no place in a paper like this. So read your articles, find the information you need, paraphrase it, cite it like this, or you can even cite it like this if you want to. But I would recommend that you don't use any direct quotes in this paper. Okay, so this is a good resource for you. Take a look at that. I think that will help you. Then once you do all that, once you've written your paper, if you notice also there are no peer reviews in this module. So it's just going to be, you're going to write your little paper, and then you're going to do your concluding tasks. And these concluding tasks are very similar to the other ones, except for there's no peer review associated. So you're going to explain how your knowledge about balanced assessments correlates to the standards selected. If for relevance, you're going to do 2. You're going to explain how understanding balanced assessment is relevant to your current learning. You explain how developing a plan to use balanced assessment improves your understanding of the content covered. And you're going to explain how your knowledge will influence your decisions as a future leader. So you're doing a good job with this. I really would like, for some of you, I've sent you some notes, but you need to expand your thoughts and really apply the application. It's really not appropriate to write 1 or 2 sentences in this area. We're talking, you should be thinking more about several sentences and making it a paragraph. Really, this is important because this is your reflection pieces. This is your relevance pieces. This is going to lead you to utilizing these tools and become a school leader. So, but overall, you're doing a good job. There are just a few people that I've asked for a little bit more. If I have, please do it. Others, you can more than welcome to expand your thoughts. But if you need help, let me know. I've asked lots of questions. I've been sending you private notes, and I'm getting a lot of private notes back from you. I appreciate that. Keep it up. You're doing a great job. I will talk to you later.